The Information: A History, a Theory, a Flood, by James Gleick, is a comprehensive exploration of the concept of information, tracing its development from early human history through the digital age. Gleick delves into the ways that information shapes our lives, influences our understanding of reality, and transforms how we communicate. The book weaves together historical, scientific, and technological narratives to examine how the information revolution impacts nearly every facet of human society. Imagine a world where everything, language, art, science, technology, is boiled down to patterns of information. In The Information, Gleick explores this idea, showing how information has evolved from spoken language and written symbols to complex digital codes that permeate modern life. He explains how the concept of information has moved from a simple message or signal to a powerful force that structures the world, driven by the rapid expansion of communication technology and data. Through the work of pioneers like Claude Shannon and Alan Turing, Gleick explores the information age's foundations, examining both the promises and challenges of a world flooded with data. The Essence, 2020. The Evolution of Language and Communication. Gleick starts with the origins of language, showing how early humans developed symbols and sounds to represent thoughts, memories, and experiences. Language allowed humans to pass down information across generations, creating a foundation for knowledge and culture. The invention of writing further solidified the permanence of information, making it possible to store and share ideas over time and space. Gleick illustrates how the progression from spoken language to written symbols marked a turning point in human history, laying the groundwork for more complex information systems. The birth of information theory. A critical turning point in the book is the development of information theory, pioneered by Claude Shannon in the mid-20th century. Shannon's work quantified information, reducing it to binary code and enabling the development of digital communication. His theory showed that all data, text, sound, images, could be represented as ones and zeros. This discovery revolutionized computing, telecommunications, and the emerging internet, creating a new scientific framework for understanding information as a measurable, manipulable entity. The impact of algorithms and computation. Gleick explores the contributions of Alan Turing, whose work on computation laid the foundation for modern computers. Turing's idea of a universal machine demonstrated that any mathematical or logical operation could be solved by a machine following a set of instructions or an algorithm. This concept allowed for the automation of information processing, transforming industries and creating the digital landscape we live in today. Gleick shows how algorithms became central to technology, shaping everything from data processing to artificial intelligence, the explosion of data, and the information overload. In the digital age, the world is inundated with an overwhelming amount of information, leading to what Gleick describes as an information flood. The internet, social media, and digital devices have exponentially increased the availability of information, creating both opportunities and challenges. Gleick examines how the abundance of information can lead to overload, as people struggle to filter, interpret, and find meaning in the vast sea of data. Information as a new paradigm of reality. Gleick argues that information has become a fundamental way of understanding reality itself, shaping how we see the universe. From DNA as a genetic code to quantum mechanics and black holes, information theory provides insights into complex systems that govern life and the cosmos. This shift suggests that information is not just a tool, but an underlying element of reality, influencing disciplines as diverse as biology, physics, and philosophy. The action plan cultivates skills for managing information overload. Gleick's work highlights the importance of developing strategies to cope with information abundance. Practice mindful consumption by limiting exposure to unnecessary data and prioritizing quality over quantity. Using tools to organize and filter information can help reduce cognitive overload and allow you to focus on meaningful content. Embrace technological literacy. Understanding the basics of information theory, algorithms, and data science can empower you to navigate the digital world effectively. By learning about how digital systems process information, you can better understand the forces shaping modern communication, privacy, and technology. Familiarity with digital literacy can improve critical thinking about technology's impact on society. Question information sources and quality. The information flood has increased the availability of content, but not all of it is reliable. Develop critical thinking skills to evaluate sources, checking for credibility, accuracy, and bias. By distinguishing trustworthy information from unreliable sources, you can make informed decisions and guard against misinformation. Balance connectivity with reflection. The digital age has created unprecedented connectivity, but it can also crowd out time for reflection and deep thinking. Prioritize moments of disconnectedness by setting boundaries around technology use. This balance can help you process information more thoughtfully, allowing for better decision-making and creativity. Explore the broader implications of information theory. Gleick's exploration of information theory suggests that it shapes much of our reality. Engage with the philosophical aspects of information, considering how it influences science, art, and ethics. Recognizing the foundational role of information can broaden your perspective on knowledge and deepen your understanding of human progress. Blind spot. While Gleick's account is thorough and well-researched, the book may seem dense and complex to readers unfamiliar with the technical aspects of information theory. Some of the discussions on algorithms, quantum mechanics, or theoretical physics might be challenging for those looking for a lighter read. Additionally, Gleick's focus on the technological evolution of information might overlook some social and ethical implications of the information age, such as privacy concerns, digital monopolies, and data security. Connected knowledge. For readers interested in exploring further, The Signal and the Noise by Nate Silver provides insights into data interpretation and statistical thinking, complementing Gleick's focus on information overload. Gödel, Escher, Bach by Douglas Hofstadter is another classic that delves into patterns, systems, and the nature of information. Finally, The Shallows by Nicholas Carr explores the effects of digital media on the human mind, touching on the cognitive impact of information overload.